inSis support acts as an intermediary connecting customers with support engineers, streamlining the process of issue identification and reporting, understanding user preferences, pinpointing areas for improvement, and actively monitoring and enhancing customer satisfaction. The primary objective is to promptly address and resolve any challenges users encounter while utilizing the software. To report an issue, select the support icon and input necessary details such as the recipient, to CC email subject, the message to convey, and any accompanying screenshots. After completing the information, click the Submit button. Users will be notified via email about the reported issue and can expect a follow-up with a solution. If users encounter an application error or an error page, they can simply click on the Report Issue button. The system will automatically generate an email and keep a record for the administrator where the concerned user will manage issues based on priority.